Well, g'day, it's me, your Aussie Aiden. And I'm proud to announce to our 600 subscriber milestone. Yes, I'm aware it's under that now, whoever did that. Sleep with one eye open tonight, buddy. I've opened a Ravenfield multiplayer server. I've had this on my mind since around last year, I'd say, wanting to have my own multiplayer server. And a huge shout out actually goes out to the guy behind the Ravenrot server for the actual system idea. So please subscribe to Ravenrot and also check out his multiplayer server, since I think it's actually a really neat concept. And he's the guy I got the map changing concept from, which, well, yeah, it's quite simple. I'm stupid and didn't really think of it, although I just have my own way of handling it. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description so you can see it all for yourself if you want to check him out. Now, you might be wondering, okay, well, where do I find your server? Well, I'm glad you asked. If you're looking for the server, well, for starters, you're going to need to install RavenM, the external multiplayer mod for Ravenfield, since vanilla Ravenfield doesn't allow multiplayer. There's like a billion tutorials out there, but I'll link Pseudoname's tutorial in the description and the RavenM Discord depending on how you want to look. Now, if you want to find my server, either go to the browser and look for a server by the name of Aussie Antics, or more effectively go to my server and go to the Ravenfield multiplayer server alert channel so you can always access it. I'll have my server linked in the description. There's going to be a bunch of maps and mods in rotation, which is where I borrowed Ravenrot's idea to link the collections that host the mods for each map. There's currently only two collections, the Essential Collection that you need to have downloaded because every map will be running with these mods, as well as including a few other maps I like. And the other is just where I store mods I plan on using in the future if you want to look at them. Now, because I have a lot of collections in plan, I'll link the ones I'll make in the future on my main collection, as well as having a list of collections on the collection wall on my server. Basically, when the server's up, a random map will be hosted. If that map comes from another collection, make sure you have that collection downloaded along with the Essential Collection. Now you might ask, what is in the Essential Collection? Well, it's mainly just mutators and a couple maps. These are subject to change, so bear with me for the trial openings of the server. Now, for the mutators, we have the Ragdoll Plus mutator, the First Person Ragdoll mutator, the Blood Impact Be Gone mutator, the Custom Blood and Effects mutator, Lemix's, I've probably pronounced that wrong, Gore mutator 2, the Body Cam mutator, not to have the overlay, but just to have more sway on the weapons. You can customize it in the settings tab, although I think the mutator will correct it to whatever I have it on when you join. If not, I recommend watching Nullberg's video on the Body Cam overlay, which I'll link in the description. And the last mutator is just a mutator that'll automatically kill you if a vehicle gets destroyed instead of ejecting you. Now, let's go on to the maps that are currently in the map pool for this. For starters, I regret to inform you, vanilla maps are in the map pool. Yes, I admit it! So the current vanilla maps in the map pool are basically all the vanilla maps, besides the story mode map. I think you understand why. So the vanilla maps are, of course, Island, Citadel, Rafts, Glacier, Desert Hill, Archipelago, Canyon, Dust Bowl, Coastline, Temple, River Delta, Mountain Range, Twin Islands, Tunnel, and Vehicle Testing, because why not? I think it's funny that we all loaded onto the Vehicle Testing map. Now for the modded maps that come with the Essential Collection. We have Under the Radar, Tank Pit, Tank Pit 2, Tank Pit 3, Dino Desert. All the Tank Pit maps include other vehicles, but Dino Desert is actually tank only. Naval Warfare. Naval Warfare. Yes, the mod is actually spelled like that. Naval Assault, it's basically also just Naval Warfare, just a slightly different version. Yeah, look, this is subject to change, but don't worry about it being confused, because it's all in the same collection. The Naval War! Yes, that's the name of it, and the and the war are actually all in capitals. Naval Strike, and also Naval Warfare, but it is actually only boats. Air Battle, but not only. Yes, it's named that. Air Supremacy, and Sky, that is plain only. Alright, so this is Aiden from the future. I've decided to add one extra map, which is called Way Too Large Map. Yes, that is actually the name of it. Anyway, back to the video. Alright, quickly, Aiden from the future again. I've also added one more map, Sniper Valley. Okay, back to the video for real this time. Basically, if any of these maps get mentioned, don't worry about downloading another collection because they are in the main collection. Sorry about that. Yeah, look, this is definitely subject to change, but this is just the current pool for the time being. Be sure to leave suggestions within the suggestion chat on the server and have fun when I boot it online. I might leave my PC on overnight to leave the server open when I can, but I don't know how my PC's gonna like it, or my parents' electrical bills, so I'll have to try that. Look, I hope I get monetized so I can pay my parents back for this. Either way, I hope you join Aussie Antics and have fun, because if you don't, I will track you down. But remember, I love you and God loves you. Have a wonderful day.